Hi, I'm Dan and this is my channel RuscoDev. Today I want to talk about how you can take an OpenAPI schema, pass it to GitHub Copilot and have it give you a web application. So in this particular case, I've created a schema for a trading card collector application. And what I want is a Python/Flask web application with a React front end. So let's take a look at the OpenAPI schema first. So we have our little bits of metadata here: card collector API, API for the card collector application, it's the description, and it's version 1.0.0. So there are several components which are models that I want to exist. So I'm going to start from the bottom here and work up. So collection. This is your card collection. So this could be Pokemon, MetaZoo, Magic, for example. Then we have set. So there are sets inside those collections. And then the set contains cards. And you can see here, if I scroll down, we can actually see cards is an array of card type. So that's the models. Then there's paths, because this is an API, so we need endpoints. So here we have /collections, lists all the collections, and we can post to create a new collection. Here's our responses. We can delete a collection. We can update a collection using patch. And this goes on. So we can see all the sets in a collection. We can see all the sets. And then moving further on, we can actually see the cards in a set. So what happens when you tell GitHub Copilot to create this application? Well, here's what I told it. Based on the OpenAPI schema in api.json, create the simplest possible Python/Flask web application. Use a Postgres database. And then later I told it to build a React front end once it was finished with this. So let's take a look at what it built. They gave us models.py, and here, matching up to our API schema, we have collection, we have set, and we have card, just like you'd expect. How about routes? Create card from payload, create set from payload, register routes. So we've got collections, collection ID, collection ID with patch. So that's your delete, that's your patch for update. And get sets, post to sets to create a set. And this just goes on. This created all the routes for us. And what does it look like? Well, it was pretty cool, actually. It looks like this. This is, I didn't tell it how to design this. I just asked for a front end, and this is what I got. So you can create a collection. You can see your collections. You can see each set and each card. So I've gone ahead and I've used MetaZoo. If you're not familiar with MetaZoo, it's a trading card game. There's a couple of sets that I have. So in the base set, I have more cards than this. I just didn't want to enter them all for the demo. But you see I have card 1, 2, 3, and card 5. I actually do not have card 4 in this set. And then there's the Nightfall set, which I actually have most of. But I have cards 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And you can add cards, you can delete cards. There's no UI for modifying right now because I didn't ask for that. But this is a pretty cool example of using GitHub Copilot to just take a schema and build something. So yeah, pretty cool. Thank you for watching.